Oh, yeah. Was nicer in January, and it's March, dude. This is our split. Roll the clip. And then, yeah, basically, where's that thing? Ooh, ooh. Gotta be careful. Clean these bad boys up a little bit. Get all the stuff off. All right, yeah, you know. But, yeah. Got, the gears and stuff there. Got all the parts. This thing's fully tearing apart. Pressed some seals all last night, too. That was dope. But, yeah. Banking on a snow day. Apparently it's supposed to be torrential downpour. 12 inches, they say. I don't know about that, but yeah. Probably stay up till like 4 tonight. If we got school tomorrow, I'm screwed. She won't shut up, so I'm about to overfeed her. Move it. Move. Oh. Oh, what? Where's the food? Well, good thing I got AirPods. KTM's down for the count. Check this bad boy out. Cam chain tensioner. Watch this. Oh, yeah. Oh, there he goes. Collapses and stays collapsed. Check this out, though. Oh, never mind. Just ruined it more. $100 part right here. Bull crap. Oh, yeah. Forgot to show you guys. Look at that. Scored up like crazy. Come over here. Oh, yeah. That'll do it. Bent the piston right down in there. When we took it out, in these there's bearings here and stuff. Found metal pieces, which is basically just right here, coming apart. This is how this is supposed to look, but like there's a different piston. And yeah, this thing just boom, and just, you know what I'm saying? Let's buy a whole new rebuild kit. At least I'm going to, because I got it all apart. It's not that expensive. Man, it better start snowing again, bro. It's a winter wonderland out there, but at least I got MX bikes. Really? Oh, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Oh!